Hello guys and welcome back in the new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay taxes on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here for this video, we're going to follow this customer service article and on how to deal with taxes and the import charges on eBay. So as you can see, when you sell on eBay, you are responsible for complying with tax laws, of course, and when you are selling to buyers outside the US, you will need to inform them about charges about the import fees, etc. And basically, you are responsible for paying all the fees and taxes associated with using eBay as a seller. And from here, you can find some tax policies or user agreements depending on your state and jurisdiction. And basically, from here, you can start like charging sales tax on the eBay sales themselves. So on your sale, you can start like setting up your taxes. And you can use some tools such as the tax table so you can be able to see which taxes that would apply on whatever that would apply on your shipping or anything. And basically you need just to click on say for example, and basically it will be added on your selling preferences. And basically here you have your sale tax that has been added, and it will be deducted from your sale when the buyer would start like buying. And basically you can also like see all the eBay sales tax collection, and from here you can learn more about each state and territory, and you can find out more about the details of their each tax law, and from there you can apply them on to your purchase orders or sales, or you can just like take all the necessary documents, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.